What's up guys, this is Chris Kane and today we're gonna play another custom NPC mod boss battle, and as you see I am a ninja. Yep, I'm a ninja. Deal with it. So today we're gonna fight against Captain Sparkles, and he got a giant battle axe and a shield. So 3, 2, 1, start. Oh my gosh. He attacks quite fast, although. You're never gonna get through me. You're never gonna get through me. Ow. And I've got the speed boost out. And a jump boost. Ugh. And I've got myself some shurikens. I can throw them. Stop that. Help. Somebody help me. Oh my gosh, he runs. I need my bow staff. Take that. Okay, this is not working. I mean, it's working. Oh shit. He's gonna die. Oh. Time to kill him! Yes! So, that's it for now. This is Chris Kane. Tune in for more. See ya!